Today we're going to change the supercharger belt and idler pulley on this 1998 Buick Regal. First step is to remove the belt, which kindly this car already did. You can see right down there is where the idler pulley goes, which the bearing seized, and so it undid the screw. We got our new part here, as well as the new bolt, and we're going to install it. We got the pulley on, gonna put the belt on. So there, looking at the diagram, it goes around the crank, up on the tensioner, around the supercharger, down the grooved idler, and back to the crank. So now we just gotta replicate that on the engine. So now we got the belt sitting there, we're gonna take our 15mm wrench and pull on the tensioner. So there we go, got it all done. Just put a socket on the tensioner, gave us more leverage, and then we just slipped the belt over a smooth pulley because it's harder to go on a rib. Alright, so we got it on, and now we're going to start it up.